Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic Best Car Fixes. Today we have Buick, uh, not Lacrosse, but I believe 2006 Buick. Let me give a quick Lacrine, I believe. Okay, here. Lacrine X, Buick also. And now, if you see this window here, this walk, other one walk, door lock, unlock, everything work. Okay, let me see what they did change to program. Anyhow, this power window switch was being replaced. And it looked like anytime you replace a power window switch, whether it's a passenger side or driver side, you must program it. The programming up to 2006, you don't need to buy subscription. If you have a Tech 2 with Candy, plug into the OBD2, you have a laptop, there will not be any update, or it could be the same software. Most of the time up to 2006, you can program those security and all this without buying a subscription of $40 or anything like that. But after 2007, you must log in online. So now I'm gonna go in Tech 2, and then I will go. If you need to program, after you connect the Ethernet connector here to the back of the laptop, and you turn your laptop off, on. You connect it there. You come down here to service program. You click OK, and then request information. Click enter, and then you say continue. If you already read it, I already read it, but it will read and give you this information. In case you're changing a used computer, you say no. If the VIN number is different, you say no, and you are going to put the VIN number there. But if everything is okay, it will ask. I'm gonna do it again. I will do it again. Okay, I request what exists is Buick. What year? 2006. As I told you, up to 2007. Passenger car. Lacrine. And now what engine? You're gonna look at the VIN number, the 8 digit. If it's 8 digit 2, it's 3.8. If it's 8 digit Y, it's 4.6. You click next and then continue. Now it will read the VIN. If you change a used computer, say no. If the VIN is different, so you're gonna write a new VIN on that screen. If everything is okay, you just need a file for brand new module like this. You just say yes. You say no communication with the engine computer. Let me see. Did I did anything? I don't believe so. Oh, the ignition is off. Ignition was not off, but let's see again. I'm gonna try it one more. I read that. Okay, so no comment. Check diagnostic link connector. It happens sometimes, so let me try to check my connector. I put it new again. You say before there's no communication. I just turn it on. Hopefully now it's gonna be okay. No, you're not gonna do diagnosis, service, or request information. Continue. You push this for continue. I already have the information. I don't want to go say no diagnosis. I already read the information, and this is what I'm looking. I don't want to request any information. I just say yes. Or press exit. If you need information, you do it, but I don't want to do that. I just press exit. Now the Tech 2 is ready to connect to PC. Now you're gonna come here, click on this. This is the icon of it. This is an old version. I click on it. It's gonna open. You don't have to do nothing here. You just have to follow the step. Say okay, and it's work. Now you're gonna go to service programming, click OK. Now pass through, no tech 2, replace and program issue, vehicle connected. When you click next, okay, see next. Now when you click next, as soon as you click next, communication is not established. This one, turn it off, turn it on. Just leave it on like this. Now see if we can communicate. Leave it blank. So leave it blank, it will change. You see now, we try to communicate with the tech 2. Oh, why? Because I disconnect the Ethernet. So as soon as I put it in, it start communicating. In a few minutes, you see the VIN number come there. Now with the VIN number come here, we're gonna click next. Now what do you need? Driver door module, passenger door module. I'm gonna collect passenger door module. Click next, it will give me the software. That's the software. I just click next. Okay, now it's gonna download the software from there to my Tech 2 here. You see? Okay, close this. This job is done. I'm gonna turn it off. But here, look, this is a new one. Nothing is work. You see? No door, window. Door up and down is work, but lock unlock doesn't work. You have to configure it. Lock unlock it doesn't work. Window go up and down. Lock unlock doesn't work. And as I say, this is a computer module. It have to be programmed. This is a part number. From here is work. You see? Even if it's work, the other door lock is not working, you see? Every door work, that one work, but this one doesn't work. Now, we are here back. I'm gonna click OK. Turn the key off, on, engine off, and now go to service programming, and just click program. Now, click continue. Continue again. Now it try to communicate with the car. If there's any problem of communication, we have to look at it. Programming, please wait. As soon as if we are able to program and communication is okay, actually start after. If everything is okay, it will start. But is it, yeah, you see, start downloading. Sorry, I am in the sun, so 3%, 9%. What happened as soon as it's download complete, you turn the key off, 30 seconds, reset the computer, put it back, everything will start working. Okay, brakes, I push the handbrake on, and this one is applied for all GM, no matter what year it is. Be sure your battery is full. After you program it, it will start working fine. We are downloading software here, and as I say, this software doesn't need subscription. If there is any update, it may, but I don't believe there is any update for those module to work. See, everything is supposed to work. Successful. That's it. Now I'm going to turn the key off to reset everything. 30 seconds, take the key out. Just put in your mind that if you are changing one of those modules, you have to put a programming plus programming. If not, it will not work. And why? The reason why they change it, they say you have a parasitic draw. That means the battery is killing the battery for some reason, and they come up with that this one is no good. So now I'm gonna put the key, start the car. Okay, my door lock, unlock. I'm gonna use it from here. It's supposed to lock, unlock, lock, unlock, lock, unlock. Here also it's supposed to work. Good. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic Best Car Fixes. I'll see you in another video. Please like, share and subscribe.